And yes, as you can see, this is my Exness account, and as you can see, it is $84 and the trade is still ongoing. So let's quickly flash to my MT5 account. You can see the same 85. Okay, that is the equity, you see. So my current balance is $84 and it's the same thing reflecting here. So are you active to know how to connect your MT5 account to Exness? Stay tuned. This is Smart Blueprint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started.
In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5 account. Okay, so it's a very simple process. Without wasting time, let's just get into it. So you open your Exness app and then you go to settings, as you can see, and then you take notice of the server just below the login code. So go back to MetaTrader 5 app, go to settings, tap on the top there, click on the plus. So you type in Exness Technologies, the last one. So I'll just quickly go back and check. So the server below is MT5 Real 3. So I'll quickly go back and search for the exact same one, searching for MT5 Real 3. So just found it. Afterwards, you go back to the Exness app to get the login code. It's right above the server. So you can either write it down somewhere or store it in your mind, and then go back and input the code. So lastly, you input your Exness account password. I'll just copy and paste mine there, and there you go, the account has been linked together. So it will take some time to load. So after a while, we should see the details back. So as you can see, the details has just reflected. My account has successfully been linked to the MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, so from there you can do your deposits. Right now the account balance is 00. I have a video on how to deposit into your Exness account. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go and watch that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.